BRAINY presents The Art of Not Forcing, Embracing Flow and Ease in Life. Do you feel like you always have to be productive, achieve more, and try to control every aspect of your life? It's not surprising if you find yourself answering yes to this question, given the prevailing emphasis on productivity and accomplishment in our modern world that often overshadows the importance of inner peace and overall well-being. But what if I told you there's a different way of living? In this video, we explore the transformative power of the art of not forcing and how it can enable you to live authentically and find joy in the journey. So let's dive in and learn how to let go of the pressure to constantly push yourself to the limit, forcing outcomes, and instead embrace the flow of life. The illusion of control. Let's get real for a moment. We all like to think we're in control, right? We believe that if we just push and exert our will, we can make things happen exactly as we want. But the truth is, there are so many factors beyond our control. It could be unexpected events, other people's choices, or even the simple fact that life is inherently unpredictable. You can't control the weather, the stock market, or other people's opinions and actions. When you try to force outcomes, you often find yourself on a never-ending roller coaster of frustration, stress, and burnout. Surrender and trust. Now here's where the magic happens. The art of not forcing starts with surrender and trust. Don't worry, surrendering doesn't mean giving up or being passive. It's about accepting what is and letting go of your attachment to specific outcomes. Trusting that things will work out in their own time and in the best way possible allows you to release the need for control and embrace a more relaxed and harmonious approach to life. It helps you become more flexible, adaptable, and open to different possibilities. Finding the flow. Forcing often goes against the natural flow of life. When you resist and try to control every aspect, you create resistance and block the flow of energy. Finding the flow means being in tune with yourself, recognizing when things are aligning effortlessly and gracefully moving in that direction. It requires paying attention to your gut feelings and intuition and letting them guide you. The power of patience. Patience. It's a tough one, isn't it? But believe me, it's an essential aspect of the art of not forcing. It reminds you that good things take time, and rushing can disrupt the natural rhythm of life. It's like waiting for a beautiful flower to bloom. If you keep digging up the soil to see if it's growing, you'll only hinder its progress. Patience allows you to stay present, fully engaged, and receptive to the opportunities that come your way. It's through patience that you learn to trust and let go of the need for immediate results. Embracing the process. Forcing often fixates on the end result, while the art of not forcing teaches you to embrace the process itself. It invites you to enjoy the journey, savor the small victories, and learn along the way. Every challenge you face and every obstacle you overcome becomes an opportunity for development and self-discovery. You gain valuable insight, acquire new skills, and deepen your understanding of yourself and everything that exists beyond your own little bubble. As you cultivate this mentality, you develop resilience and perseverance. You become better equipped to handle setbacks and failures because you understand that they are part of the process. Cultivating self-compassion. Let's take a breather and show ourselves some kindness. In the pursuit of not forcing, it's crucial to cultivate self-compassion. We tend to be our own harshest critic, beating ourselves up for not achieving enough or not pushing harder. But guess what? That's not healthy or helpful at all. In fact, this harsh inner critic can be detrimental to your well-being and hinder your ability to embrace the process and let go of forcing. By being kind to yourself, understanding, and accepting, you create a nurturing environment that allows you to grow naturally. It helps you counteract the negative self-talk and self-judgment that you may experience when things don't go as planned or when you make mistakes. In conclusion, the art of not forcing is a practice that can deeply transform your existence. It's all about releasing control and embracing the natural flow of life. Surrender, trust, patience, and self-compassion are key to experiencing this transformation. When you embody these qualities, you create an authentic and fulfilling life that aligns with your deepest desires. Remember, the most beautiful and meaningful moments often occur when we simply let go and allow things to unfold. So go ahead and let your life flow. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.